Single. I'm gonna try and see if I can find the magazine. It wasn't in that one. Hopefully it is in this one. Hold on, it's coming. It's this magazine right here. 2001. That is me right there. Look at her. There I am. Good legs. I'm still single and I've got 1 year left in my 50s. Maybe thrifting is why I'm still single, because I'm addicted to thrifting and I'm a workaholic, and that could be why. We're gonna talk about it. So this week, I'm gonna take you to the thrift stores. I made over a bunch of things, so I'm gonna show you that. We're gonna talk about the new year. If you're single, maybe it's because you thrift too much too. Let's get into it.
If I wrote you a song, if I got every word perfectly weighted on a thin piece of paper, would it make
Ellie and I went thrifting this week and I found this, right? It was only $3. There's no candy and it smells like grandma. It reminded me of this video that I made 8 or 10 years ago. I took one of these and I turned it into a sailor's valentine. So we're gonna revisit that video this week.
Valentine's Day is just around the corner and I'm single again.
I'm down at the store early with Ellie because we are packing all the orders. Look how cute her car looks in front of my shop. It's as if she is meant to be here. I would say so. I was just saying how cute your car looks in front of my store.
Oh, I'm so glad to have my car back.
Yes.
We are getting the orders packed. Debbie and I are doing them today, and look at our pile.
Thank you all the customers for supporting our small business. We love you.
Grandpa,
What?
let me see your shirt. Do you know what shirt you're wearing? That's my band.
I know.
Grandpa is here to take all the orders to the post office. Merry Christmas. Look at my haircut.
Oh, you got your hair clipped.
We're on our way to Oceanside.
Oceanside, here we come.
Okay, we are now at the cow place. We're heading into the other side now. You left me.
I know. At the beginning of every year, I start thinking about what am I going to do different this year? How some things just never change. I bought this because it was only $3, but I don't really want to make another Sailor's Valentine's. I'm just going to show you the old video and I'm going to talk about what I'm going to do with this and what I'm going to do different this year.
You see it, it's just covered in seashells. A sailor's valentine is a box that's totally covered in seashells. They started in the 1800s when the sailors would be out to sea for like a long time. They would bring home the boxes and give them to their sweethearts and say, sorry, I've been gone so long. That's what we're making today. And I'm just going to pretend like I do have a boyfriend and he's just been surfing. And when he finally gets back, I'm going to give him this. Here's your sailor's valentine. Sorry, I ate all the candy already. You were kind of gone for a long time. I'm using tile adhesive because it dries slowly and it looks like frosting. So I thought it would be a good idea to get out the article, read it again. I worry that Debbie is single because she's still hung up on me and I'm gay. We dated in college and ever since she's been trying to find someone like me, and it's not easy to find a single man who's cute, successful, and also likes flea markets and interior design. Somehow I thought that I could convince him to play for the other team, and obviously that didn't work out. I have an entire video showing how to make seashell flowers. The link is below. This is what my mom said. It's hard to believe that Debbie is single. All I can think is that she waits too long to take the relationship to the next level and she dates men who won't commit. And I definitely have dated a few of the non-committal kind of guys. It's just as pointless to try and convert a non-committer as it is to try and convert someone who's gay. So don't try that because that doesn't even work either. You're going to outline the shape of the heart with the rhinestone chain. Outline your heart with the rhinestone chain and begin placing your shells into the tile adhesive. The last thing to do is add pearls, rhinestones, and vintage jewelry in between all the nooks and crannies of your seashell.
Okay, we just got to the DAV. I just said DMV, but we're gonna go see what we can find this week.
When I look back on how much the DIY industry has changed since I made that video all those years ago, I think about the amazing tools we have now that we didn't have back then. If I were to make that Sailor's Valentine again, I would definitely use air dry clay with the seashell mold and mix it in with the real seashells. When I found this old vintage mirror, the first thing I thought about was how beautiful transfers would look over the top of it. We didn't have transfers back then. I think about things so differently now.
Take a train ride just to see you. Ride for hours just to please you. You don't know how.
All right, we got, what did you got? Show me.
I got this.
Whoa. And I got granny outfit. Bye-bye.
From being alone.
When you put a transfer on a mirror, do you apply a sealer over the top? I do not like to apply a sealer because then that's going to change the look of the mirror and make it really foggy and filmy looking. When I go to clean the mirror, I will just get a damp cloth. I'll put my cleaning solvent on the cloth itself and clean around the transfer. I've put transfers on old windows, I've put them on glass doors, I have put them on mini mirrors, and this is how I do it. You want to use a really gentle cleaning agent for the transfers because it can eat away at the product. This old mirror had a beautiful rusty patina, but I wanted to freshen it up just a little bit. I'm dry brushing our new color Walk on Water over the metal frame, and then I'm refreshing the gold edge with Golden Ticket. You can find the transfer and links to find DIY paint in your area in the link in the description box.
In case you missed it, we are running this super awesome deal with Painterly. You guys can get all 12 colors for 50% off. This is what all these orders are mostly from, and on top of that, since your order is over $50, you also will be getting a free jewelry supply little mystery bag, and that's also worth $50. So if you missed this, you can still jump on it. This is available on our website, DIYGoGo.com, and don't miss out. This is a good opportunity to test out Painterly and get all 12 colors for half off. I mean, that's a really good deal. So if you didn't get what you wanted for Christmas, bam, this is it.
The holiday season was super busy. It is every year, but I did take time to go to a women's tea at my church, and we had a wonderful Christmas at my sister's house. My New Year's resolution for this year is to have more adventures and learn more instead of having more things. I'm gonna try and declutter my house. She's got the waffles going. Rita, what are you doing?
All right, somebody grab a plate.
What are you guys doing?
Loving each other.
Merry Christmas. And make time for taking classes on how to paint flowers, have more adventures with my family and with my friends. The next place we hit up is called the Sea Hive in Oceanside. It's a collective and it's one of my favorite places for inspiration.
We are going into Sea Hive now in Oceanside. We got our coffee, so we're gonna see what we can find.
The Sea Hive is a mix of vintage and handmade things. Most of the prices are too high to buy and resell, but I do get a lot of ideas. I like to see what's trending, and once in a while I do find a treasure.
Remind me that I'm young. I feel it just like yesterday. Those days out in the sun. But I think I've become a
Fancy Hive. We're on to the next one. Going into the Goblin Shark.
Went to the Goblin Shark and then we went to the cow place. That's not the official name. No, it's called the estate sale something, but there's a big cow. I found a cute little train case in the cow place for just $10, and that is a good price in California because suitcases are very trendy here. The big problem with them is often they smell really musty on the inside. I opened the lid and let mine air out on my deck for a while, and then I knew that I was going to paint it with our new color, which is called Eden, and then I applied the Collage de Fleurs transfer over the top.
I like the way you hung the moon. I just like being close to you.
With DIY paint, if you let it sit overnight, most of the time you can apply the transfer and it will glide on smoothly without putting a sealer on it first. I attempted to do that and it did go on, but it took a lot more effort. So I decided to stop in the middle of the project, apply Big Top, let that sit overnight, and then I went back and put the transfer on, and it was a lot easier. I have not been here in a while. But look, I don't need a headboard. Look at that huge rug. I don't need that either. I'm curious about the desk and those fancy little chairs. Let's go look. Oh, these chairs would be so good, and the desk is just as sweet as can be. Oh man, do I need that desk? If I took the drawers, would you break up with me? Maybe I can send my dad. See why? The bottom leg is broke right there. This is a drawer taking situation. Oh man. So that desk is super stinking cute, but I don't know about the little piece missing at the bottom. Tell me in the comments what you would do. This is my struggle with it. I want to resell it. I don't need a desk for my house. So I'd put it in my store, put it on my website, but then I would feel compelled to tell people that it had that piece missing. I guess it would just need to come with a disclaimer that it has been repaired. But I don't like selling furniture to people that is compromised. I don't think that's really compromised though, but it's cute. It's real cute. What I'm showing you here is how the paint rubbed onto the back of the transfer and didn't stick before I applied the sealer.
I feel so blue. Yeah, I like the way you hung the moon. I like the way you know that dancer. I like the way you hold my hand. You spin me all across the floor. Yeah, I like the way you know that dancer.
We are on the side of the road. There is a blue couch for free, so we are in extra need right now of some money. We're gonna load it up and then we're gonna clean it and repost on Facebook Marketplace for like $100. So let's see if it sells today. All right, we got it all loaded up and we are literally 1 block from our house. So we're just gonna strap it on, clean it up. Look how cute of a couch it is.
I never sent my dad back for that desk. When I saw what Zach and Ellie did, I started thinking I should start taking more of this free furniture and selling it for a bargain price at my shop, or just give it to Zach and Ellie so they can sell it. One of my New Year's resolutions is to learn how to paint flowers by hand. I've been watching some videos on YouTube, but in the meantime, I love to use my stencils. I use them like training wheels. So I just get the marks down and then I apply all the things I've learned in the YouTube videos as far as hand painting flowers. I am using the glass bottle stencil, the wildflower stencil, and the insect stencil.
On the side of the road again. We got 2 chairs. Look at them. We sold the couch for $75. Now we got 2 brand new chairs. New year, new junk to sell, but that's not junk. Those are like really nice chairs that we're gonna see how much we can sell them for. Okay, so they are floor chairs. They are brand new with the tag on them, $30.
What are your New Year's resolutions? This is my last year in my 50s. Yikes, how did that even happen? It's a big year. I'm not really thinking about the things that I want to change. I'm thinking about the things that I want to do. I want to learn how to hand paint flowers. I want to go on adventures with my friends and family. Even after all these years of being single, I'm not really thinking about being unsingle, if that makes sense. I'm just thinking about relationships and prioritizing the relationships that I do have. I want to meet more of you. I want to teach more workshops. I want to tell more stories. So what is it that you want to do? Let me know in the comments. I think that's a really good way to think about it. Not what do you want to give up, but what do you want to do more of? Let me know. Tell me about it in the comments.
If I wrote you a song, if I got every word perfectly weighted on a thin piece of paper, would it make any difference? Would it change for the better if I wrote you a poem, if I posted a letter?
To find DIY paint in your area, or to sell it in your store, or to find all the products that we used in this video, click the link below. And be sure and check out our sale tab because we are having a wonderful after holiday sale.
I never knew quite where I was, then suddenly you told me, baby, you're lost, but I am too. Whatever the cost, we'll make it through. Tell me you're the one for me now, 'cause what am I supposed to do? If you are not the one for me, then tell me now what I could do.
Lick my leg.
Sadie, what you doing? Are you so happy we surprised you? Did we show up at Mom's house unannounced?
He's at the door waiting for it.
There he is. There he is. Levi, bring me that baby. Bring me that baby. Here comes the baby. Here comes the baby.